Hey everyone, just wanted to show you a small addition I made to my Chameleon. It's on all 8 zippers. I got the Aerohead Niteshades off Dutch on Dutchwaregear.com and some reflected. They glow in the dark and makes it much easier to see at night time. A little update on Solo as well. He is getting his last bandage off on Friday, which is 2 days from now, and it can't come quick enough. It's a short video this time, but it's after taking me about an hour to make this video. It's not as easy doing the piece of camera standing up as it looks. It's really difficult for me, and hopefully it gets easier, but I should probably do all my videos lying down in my hammock. It's much more comfortable, but I don't know, it's hard, it's not easy. The lavalier mic, I'm really happy with it, the quality of it in the last couple of videos and the audio. It's really easy to synchronize in post, and I think I'm going to use this system from now on, and I might even invest in a new camera instead of my phone. So I think it might be the GoPro Hero 10 maybe, but we'll see what happens. I like the stabilization functions on it, and out of all the editions, this generation seems to be one to buy. I've never bought a GoPro, but I've always had the DSLRs, but this Hero 10, it looks like a keeper, so I might give it a shot, and it'd be a good addition with the lavalier mic. So we'll see what happens. Anyway, that's it for this one, and sure, I'll catch you in the next video.